this is A and this will be my B. ठीक है, तो B से मैंने ये बनाया. अभी एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC is what? Half into base into height. What is your height? This is your height, na? This is your height.
Yes, sir.
Theta is given to you, na? This theta is given to you. Okay, find the, not given to you, you have to find this theta angle between these two such that the area of the triangle is maximum. So can you tell me what is sine theta? Sine theta is h upon hypotenuse, which is c. So what is h? H is c sine theta. Okay, so what is your base? Base is b and h is c sine theta. So you have got the area of triangle as b c BC sine theta, okay, upon 2. This is the area of the triangle you have found, right? तो मैं इसको यहाँ ऐसा लिख रहा हूँ, A is equal to BC upon 2 sine theta. What is given to you here? Two sides is given to you. Two sides is given to you. Which are those two sides given to you here? B and C is given. This is given to you and C is given to you. B and C is given. ठीक है, अब मैक्सिमम एरिया निकालना है तो क्या करेंगे? क्रिटिकल पॉइंट निकालोगे. कैसे? डिफरेंशिएट दिस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा. BC by 2 is a constant, तो वो बाहर आ जाएगा. What is derivative of sin theta? It is minus cos theta.
Cos theta.
Yes, that you will equate to 0 to get, this is 0, this is 0. So what you will get? Cos theta. You will get cos theta as 2. No, you will get 0 only, na? Cos theta you will get 0 only. So what value of theta you will get? The value of theta you will get as 0 or not 0, 90, because cos 90 is 0. You will get theta as 90, correct?
सर आपकी आवाज कट रही है. हेलो.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग तो हो ही रही है वैसे भी, मैं अपलोड करूंगा यूट्यूब में, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम. ये
सर
कौन सा स्टेप नहीं समझा, बताओ.
सर यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल टू मी.
Okay, fine. So this theta is equal to 90 is a critical point. Whenever cos theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 90 is a critical point. Or I can even say that this is a point of maxima. Actually, at this point of time, I cannot guarantee to say that this is a point of maxima until I get what? Until I get d2a upon d theta square is less than 0. अगर मुझे ये मिलेगा तभी मैं बोल पाऊंगा कि दिस इज पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा. लेकिन मैंने पहले ही बोला है. क्यों? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में दिया है क्या कि मुझे एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल निकालना है विच इज मैक्सिमम. इसीलिए मैंने इसको अभी पहले ही बोल दिया है कि दिस इज पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा. But then you have to write this could be point of maxima provided d2a by d theta square is less than 0. तो मैं अभी डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा इसको. ठीक है, मेरा da by d theta की जो वैल्यू है that is minus bc by 2 cos theta. Now when I differentiate this with respect to theta again, minus bc by 2 is a constant which will come out. What is derivative of cos theta? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इज कॉस. एक मिनट, ये क्या किया है मैंने? हाँ, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कॉस थीटा इज व्हाट? माइनस साइन थीटा. क्या ये मैंने माइनस कैसे आया? ये माइनस कैसे आ गया? 1 मिनट. साइन डेरिवेटिव साइन थीटा इज कॉस थीटा. आई एम सॉरी, दिस इज नॉट माइनस.
हाँ सर, माइनस नहीं आएगा.
दिस इज नहीं आया, माइनस नहीं आया. वही सोचो ऐसे कैसे गलती हो गई. इट हैज टू बी प्लस. ठीक है, तो ये प्लस है. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos थीटा क्या होता है? माइनस साइन थीटा. ये हो गया माइनस साइन थीटा.
यस सर.
नाउ इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा, साइन थीटा की वैल्यू मतलब मुझे अभी ये फाइंड करना है फॉर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90. So I will going to find d2a by d theta square when theta is equal to 90. That will be minus bc by 2. What is sine 90? This is 1. So I will get bc by 2, which is less than 0. What does that mean? That means
It is point of maximum.
theta is equal to 90 is point of maximum. That's what I will get, right?
Yes, sir.
So such that the area of the triangle is maximum. So area of the triangle will be maximum value, maximum value of, means what? Means it is half into base BC sin theta, na? Sin theta is 90. So your answer is BC by 2. This is the maximum area. Got it? तो
सर
मैक्सिमम एरिया
माइनस BC आएगा ना?
नहीं, माइनस नहीं आएगा क्योंकि मेरा एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल का फॉर्मूला ये है. So my area of triangle will be maximum only if theta is 90. So when sin theta is 90,
Yes,
it will be 1. So my area of maximum triangle will be BC by 2 is the maximum value. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.